This 2025 Airstream Flying Cloud 25 FBT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 26 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleep 6, spare tire kit, air conditioning, stovetop burner, water heater, DVD player, smoke detector, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, external shower, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Airstream Flying Cloud 25 FBT is 6,207 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.